So Paco Zoom Bikes here. This is a customer's bike. So he contacted me. Like you can see, he was having chain problems. He snapped his rear mount flush against the motor. Having clutch problems. His brakes are messed up. His throttle is all messed up. I don't know why it's wrapped around the seat. So I gotta do a lot of work to this bike. I'm gonna look over everything. Like you can see, carburetor's not even screwed in. Here, to show you that that's broken. So, time to take this engine off this bike and then fix his motor mounts.